Meow. Beep, 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 beep. Oh!
Ever wondered how some creators go viral and make serious cash just by posting cute animal videos? Let me show you two amazing examples. First, there's a YouTube channel that's grown to 51,000 subscribers simply by sharing tiny, adorable animal clips. And then there's an Instagram theme page with over 1.2 million followers, powered by AI-generated baby animal reels. These videos are pulling in millions of views, and here's the kicker: they're selling digital products right from their page, likely raking in $5,000 to $10,000 every month. Sound incredible? What if I told you that you can create content just like this, easily and for free, with the help of AI? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process step by step. Let's dive in. Hey there! If you're new here, welcome to the channel where we explore creative strategies and tools to help you grow your online presence. If that sounds like something you're into, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Step 1. Generate prompts for images. First things first, we need to create prompts to tell the AI what kind of images we want. This might sound complicated, but don't worry. I've made it super easy for you. Just open ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've shared in the description of this video. Once you've done that, type create 5 prompts, each featuring a different tiny animal. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate 5 unique prompts you can use to create amazing animal images. Want even more prompts? Drop a comment below and I'll share a link to my Google Doc with tons of ready-to-use prompts. Step 2. Generate images with Domo.ai. Next, we bring those prompts to life. Head over to Domo.ai, the link is in the description, and sign up for free. Here's what you'll do. Click on Gen and select the text-to-image option. Paste your prompt into the text box and choose a style like realistic, cubism, or anime. For this demo, I'm using FX version 1. Choose the correct aspect ratio. 9:16 works great for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Hit Generate, and in seconds, you'll have stunning, high-quality images. Repeat this process for all your prompts and experiment with styles to see what works best. Step 3. Turn images into videos. Now let's make these images even more engaging by turning them into videos. Here's how. Go back to the Domo.ai dashboard and select Animate. Upload the images you've created, give it a prompt, and select a version for your video. Set the duration. 5 or 10 seconds works best, and choose the right aspect ratio. Hit Generate, and in just a few minutes, your video will be ready to download. Let's check out the final result. It's pretty amazing, right? Step 4. Edit your video. Now it's time to add the final touches. Open your favorite video editing app. CapCut is my go-to, and follow these steps. Import your Domo.ai videos. Add trending background music to make it pop. Adjust the video frame to 9:16, perfect for Instagram Reels and TikTok. Combine 2 to 3 clips for an engaging reel, or slow the video down for a more relaxing vibe. Once you're happy with the edits, export your video and you're ready to post. With tools like Domo.ai, creating viral content has never been easier. Whether you're into cute animal videos, stunning visuals, or something entirely unique, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tools, and strategies to grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.